SLAM, or Settlement Level Actor Mapping, is an online tool that reflects the presence of actors involved in refugee response at the settlement level. Such organizations include local and national non-government organizations, community-based organizations, private sector actors, and refugee-led organizations. SLAM does not validate or endorse any organizations listed on the tool. Charter for Change Working Group Uganda, C4C, in collaboration with ULAN, the Refugee-Led Organization Network, RELON, and Street Child Uganda, created the Settlement Level Actor Mapping tool, SLAM, to make information about settlement-based actors readily available and to increase collaboration, partnership, and networking amongst these actors. SLAM currently covers the 13 refugee settlements and Kampala as an urban center where refugees are settled. To use SLAM, visit the ULAN website under the mapping sections to access it, or via partner organization website. This is the SLAM start page. On this page, you will find 3 key features: the map of Uganda, a start button, feedback and take a tour buttons. Clicking on Take a Tour will guide you through the tool's main features, which I will explore in detail in this tutorial. In the map, you can filter by selecting one or more settlements. Selecting a settlement changes the name card to blue, after which you can press the Start button. You can also click the Start button without selecting any of the settlements and you proceed to the tool. This is the home page, and the home page has a filter wheel on the left with 4 main categories, and these categories are settlements, organizational type, thematic areas, and target demographics. The purpose of these filters in SLAM is to streamline the search process, allowing you, the users, to narrow down the list of organizations and information you're looking for based on these specific criteria. For example, under the settlements filter, you can choose Chirandongo. Then select refugee-led organization under the organization type. And under the thematic areas, let's assume to select education. And finally, for the target demographic option, let's opt for children under 12. These filters operations mirror the top menu filters operation. This example caters for a scenario where a user is using multiple filters, but note that one filter can also be used at a time. For example, you can only select Chirandongo, and then you'll be able to filter based on the settlement. On the right-hand side of the home page, we have organization business cards displaying brief details such as the name of the organization, the logo, the status indicated by this checkmark, organization type, thematic area, settlement, and target demographics. Clicking on this business card opens a page with the extensive organization details, and these include a brief description about the organization's contact information, specific settlement operation details, and an interactive map view with the mark of the location of the office if provided, and a list of reference that this organization has worked with. To explore more organizations within your filters, use the back arrow at the top to return to the home page and select another organization that fits in your selection criteria. For a direct search, clear pre-selected filters by clicking the Clear Filters button, enter the organization's name in the search bar, and press Enter. The organization will appear in the business card section if available, and in case you search for an organization that doesn't exist, the tool will let you know that this organization doesn't exist, but invites you to submit this organization to be added to SLAM. SLAM also provides the option to download data in Excel format or receive it via email. Using the View Filtered Data as a Table button on the top right corner, in the table view that pops up like this, Click Export Data to download or email the file. You can click the Download CSV button to directly download the data to your device, or enter your email and then click this button to make sure that the data is sent to you via email. To add your organization to SLAM, click on Add your organization details below the filter wheel on the home page. Fill in and submit the information in the different form groups on this new page that opens up. Information to be submitted will include the consent, personal information about the organization, organizational information, settlements the organization has presence, and the references that the organization can give. Your submission will be reviewed before being published to the tool. And if further information is needed, our team will contact you to make sure that they receive that information. You can submit information for your organization or that of another organization if you have their details. Notifications as emails will be sent out to you, the user, at every stage of the review. User feedback is essential for the improvement of SLAM. It ensures that SLAM provides the information and has the functions most relevant to you as the users, thereby enhancing its effectiveness and usability. As you navigate through the tool, a feedback floating button is consistently visible on all pages. Clicking on this button opens up a new page with a form designed to capture your feedback. This feature ensures that all the users can easily provide their insights and experiences at any point during their interaction with SLAM. Note that all information included on the settlement level actor mapping visualization was provided by organizations themselves. This was self-reported and also from information that is publicly available on the internet. ULAN and SLAM partners are not responsible for the factual correctness of the visualized data. Care is taken to update SLAM regularly, but some information might be updated. Should you have any inquiries or further feedback regarding the tool, please do not hesitate to contact us at slam@ulan-uganda.org or the email that is being displayed on your screen. Thank you.